I'm Sasa from the Philippines, but I'm actually living now in Japan. So we are currently in the big statue Buddha here in Bhutan. So yeah, so it's very big. So I think this is the biggest in the world, and aside from like the other Buddha statues that I've seen like in Thailand and also in Japan, so this is very beautiful. It's very big. So yeah, it's really a must-see here in Bhutan. Yeah. So we are in the stupa. So I actually went inside and it was quite meditative. I was just observing the locals who were praying, who were chanting, and I think that's what our guide explained. So they're cleansing their emotions. So yeah, so I think it's a very good place also just to also like pray and observe the locals how they do it. Hi, so we are in the very beautiful Duchula Pass. So it has 108 stupas and we are 3,100 meters above sea level. So it's very cold. So make sure like you have your jacket, your scarf, and your hats because yeah, pretty cold. And also like the view here should have been like with a clear day it could have been, you know, you can see the whole Himalayan range, but it's pretty cloudy. So yeah, hopefully I can go back here so and hopefully we can have a better view. But yeah, actually even just like the stupas, it's already very nice. Hi! So I'm wearing the national dress of Bhutan, which is so nice, and I think it is also my color. So right now we are in Punakajong. So we attended a festival, which is a very beautiful festival also, and I really love like seeing the dances, the very colorful costumes, and like this place is really unreal. I think it's the most iconic here in Bhutan, so we definitely must go here. Hi, so we're here at the Black Neck Crane Center. So these are injured black cranes from Tibet, and they are rehabilitating them. And then the view here is the Pobjika Valley, so which is also very nice. So we just finished our trek to the iconic Tiger's Nest. So before visiting it, so I just of course saw like a lot of pictures in that certain viewpoint of the Tiger's Nest. So yeah, so a lot of people have this photo, but you know, like actually going inside is really different than just like having, you know, that bucket list photo. So inside, you were able to see like different parts of the temple, and I would say like the energy inside the temple is, you know, you can really feel it. I actually cried. I actually even cried in one of my meditations, and yeah, there's like an overwhelming feeling of just feeling that blessing and feeling like everything's gonna be okay. And you know, after visiting the temple, I really felt light, and yeah, so yeah, I'm so thankful that I was able to experience this because I really think like if you're going to Bhutan and not going to the Tiger's Nest, it'll be a big loss. But yeah, I'm so thankful that I was able to go here.